सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EduTech. Today we are watching some current GK quiz. Listen carefully and pay attention. Which two countries collaborated recently to develop rapid testing for COVID-19 in under 30 seconds? Option C, India and Israel is the correct option. In which month and year India recorded the highest monthly merchandise export? Option D, July 2021. Third question, which district of Karnataka stood first in successful implementation of Sakala scheme in July 2021? Option A, Udupi. This is the right option. Who has recently launched a cashless and contactless instrument named e-rupee for digital payment? Option B, Narendra Modi. Which organization has been nominated to execute the project of enhancement of digital appeal at National War Memorial? Option A, Bharat Electronics Limited. What is the name of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier? Option D, INS Vikrant. Lorena Borgohain, who won the boxing bronze medal in Tokyo Olympics, is from which state? Correct option is Assam. B. Which Indian visual artist and illustrator has won the 2021 Eisner Award? Option A, Anand Radhakrishnan. Which ministry has organized a national webinar on transforming education in the right of Indian knowledge system, language, art, and culture? Option D, Ministry of Education. In August 2021, which country became the latest entrant to the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure CDR? The correct option option A, Bangladesh. So I have completed my short lecture. Namaskar.